What's up, guys? Jason here, The Minto Show. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. All right, guys, so it is November 30th. It's the last day of the month. Let's see, it's about 10 a.m. and it says it's 32 degrees with 12-mile-an-hour winds. So it's a little chilly today. I was going to put up some Christmas lights today, and we always put a big tree out front, which I'm sure you guys have seen in the past. So I always try to get the leaves out of the way first before we get into all that. So I'm just getting the blower out here. We'll get it started, warmed up, and we'll start moving some leaves. But yeah, I hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving. Ours was pretty chill here. It was just Cheryl and Maggie and Christopher, and we just hung out in the house and cooked most of the day. And I did a small, I think it was like a 3-pound like turkey. And I did it on the smoker, and I wasn't too impressed. I swear the thermometer on the Traeger is just completely off. Because when I got it to temperature on the machine, on the Traeger, I took it in and we sat down to cut it, and it was like, I think 20 degrees off. So we had to throw it in the air fryer just to get it up to temp, because it was kind of pink in the middle. So it was a little tough. It wasn't, I don't know what happened, but I followed the instructions for the amount of hours and putting the brine in and all that stuff. I don't know. I was just pretty disappointed, but that's all right. We got to eat, and it was a nice meal. But yeah, last night we went to Rehoboth, and they had the tree lighting, the big Christmas tree down there by the bandstand, and it was really nice, the countdown and everything. But then I'd say within like 3 minutes after they did the tree lighting, it's actually started snowing. So it was wild. It wasn't like snow, like huge snowflakes, but it started to snow. Everybody was flipping out and cheering. So it was the first time I think we've ever seen that here. I just can't recall a time when there was like snow at the tree lighting. So that was pretty neat. It's pretty special. So that's all that's been going here. Firewood sales have just been terrible. Really, really bad. It's making me contemplate if I made the right choice on spending this much money on a splitter when the wood just appears to just have stopped. I don't know what's going on, but nothing's moving off that rack. And it's been that way for a week or two. So I'm a little frustrated with that. But I mean, we heat the house with wood, so I'm still going to use that machine. So that's all right. I'm just a little concerned about the business here, but I don't know. We'll just keep trucking along. So let's get this thing started up. Let's go throw some leaves. Here we go. All right, here we go. This always seems to be my starting point. For whatever reason, I start here. All right, guys, pretty much got all the leaves. I think a few started dropping already on the driveway. Not crazy, but there's still leaves up there in some of these trees. So we're getting there. But yeah, all clean. So we're all ready for the tree we put up. But let's show you what's going on over here. Yesterday, I finally brought the first tote up. So we've been pulling wood out of here, and this is mostly just all oak, just just chunks, stuff that's I couldn't sell. It's not the right size. This is one of the bays, which this wood's pretty much all good to sell. So I'm just gonna leave that there. And the other 2 bays are empty, and we're just waiting to bring wood up. But in these little bags, I'm gonna start selling kindling. We're thinking like $2 a bag. So I just have to change the sign out on the wood rack there, and just to show what it is and what the price is. But we thought we'd start selling some kindling in case some of our customers want that. I don't know if they want it. I just thought it'd be a nice option to just give to our customers. So okay, so we're just about ready to do the lights. I'm gonna do a little more blowing in the back, but you guys don't need to worry about that. I'll just get that done real quick, and then we'll put up some Christmas lights. Here we go. All right, guys, I'm just out here getting my diesel tanks ready, and we'll come back to that. But the streak has been broken. There's a young gentleman that just stopped by, and he bought some bundles of wood. So I don't know your name, but if you see the video, I appreciate you stopping by, sir. So yeah, the streak has been broken. So super excited. I get chills. I get chills. So yeah, looks like he probably bought, I'm thinking like $20 worth there. But just visually looking at it. But thank you, whoever stopped by, I appreciate you. But yes, the streak has been broken. So, okay, let's go, let's take a look at my diesel tanks, because I need to get those full, because we've been running the heater in the building, and we've been going through some diesel. All right, guys, so these are the tanks I use. So, yeah, I know one is a kerosene. I know. It's just we used to have a kerosene heater, and we don't have it anymore. And I just have this tank laying around, so I know it's diesel. So, but yeah, what I run in here is Amsoil's. It's their diesel. It's the all-in-one. It cleans, lubricates. It's an anti-gel and power octane. But it increases power. But I usually buy this. So if you guys are interested, this is what I use in all my diesel tanks. Primarily for the tractor. Always make sure this is in there to, definitely for the lubricant of in there, because our diesel fuel, it needs some lubrication. So yeah, I know that gets expensive, but if you have a diesel truck or any kind of diesel machine, you got to be running something in there. So this isn't bad. It's like 2 ounces per 5 gallons. That's what I run in all my diesel, but it's the Amsoil all-in-one diesel. My link's below. If you'd like to purchase through my Amsoil account, maybe become a preferred customer, let me know. Or if you want to sell it, let me know. Loving my Amsoil. All right, guys, leaves are all cleaned up. Had some lunch. Luna and I are headed out to start on the Christmas lights. Luna got a haircut. She got a haircut, and she's looking good. She got her jingle bells on. But yeah, she's doing good. Got her started on some Cosequin, because she's been having a little bit of a hard time moving around, and we were getting a little concerned. So we got her on some Cosequin. She seems to be doing a lot better. So if your dog's struggling, look into Cosequin. All right, guys, I'm gonna get all the Christmas stuff. I'm just gonna use the wheelbarrow so we can haul it out to the front. All right, guys, get a few things here. Inflatables, get some electric, the manger, some tree lights. All right, guys, I think I got the majority of it here. Just gotta get out of here. There we go. If there's something I'm missing, I'll just come back. All right, guys, the first thing I want to do is take down our American flag, because the tree will go up on here. If you guys are new to the channel, maybe you've never seen the tree we do, but it's pretty cool. This flagpole works out perfectly. All right, guys, time to move on the electric, and this is what I use by the house. It's a Huskee box from I think Lowe's or Home Depot, but I keep a power strip in here, and what I did was I cut holes in it, and that way I just run all my extension cords in here. That way it's all protected from the elements. It's got a lid, and then the power goes right into my house. So that's how I do it. I usually just put a timer, and that's what's going in the house, and then this plugs into there. All right, so you just want to run that through. Yes, that's there you go. All right, so I think it should do it. We'll usually run one to the tree, and this one will go out here and kind of Y off for the lights for the nativity and the blow up. All right, let's just stretch out this line. There we go. That should be good. Then we can go this way, and then we can go this way with it off to the side. That's on. All right, guys, this is the big finale. This is kind of like how we have it. This is like the Griswold look. Here, show them how nice all this electrical is stacked. We like that. That's what you want. I got some electrical tape holding the weight. It seems to work every year. I think once or twice, like a really bad windstorm blew it down, but that's usually how we do it, the Griswold way. Okay. Are we looking good? Mm-hmm. All right. Okay, guys, I know it's hard to see if the tree is up. Charlene is right now going around and grabbing the strands. I think we have 8. We have 8, and then we'll go ahead and move the ladder. We'll go ahead and just make sure it's evenly spaced, and that night it'll look like a beautiful, beautiful Christmas tree. Guys, so that's it for today. We got everything in. Everything's ready to go. This is the camper with its little fire pit, and then Santa's clothes are hanging on the clothesline. It's like a camper theme. Over here we got the nativity. So everything looks good. And the tree's up, and yeah, it'll look great tonight. I'll put you guys some footage here at the end just to show you the final job. But yeah, we're excited. install went really quick today. So really happy about that. So, all right, guys. Hope you guys had a wonderful Thanksgiving, and hope you guys are having a great weekend. I'm gonna go in right now and get above the fire and get warmed up because it's been pretty cold out here all day. So, all right, guys. So that's it for today. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for being a subscriber. We'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.